Morning, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm out here at my favorite store in Capricorn Business Park. It's Faithful to Nature. So they're at number 57 and they've actually upgraded. They've got a new walk-in store. So normally it was buy online and then you kind of come and collect, or you can get it delivered, but they've now got in-store items. So let's check it out. A little bit of everything in the store. Yeah, and all the prices are available on the shelf, which is so dope. Okay, so I got my goodies. And yeah, we're gonna try it out, see how it goes, keep you all up to date. Pop in and see if you can get some organic, vegan, whatever, waste-free products. I'll leave all the links below, I'll leave the address below, and you guys can go and check it out for yourselves. Don't forget to subscribe and like this vlog if you enjoyed it. Okay guys, so seeing that I'm vegan now, I've been going through the most because I've wanted to try biltong. Like, I've been listening for biltong for the longest time, and guess what I got at Faithful to Nature? Mushroom biltong. So we're gonna give it a try. Let me just open it. So it looks exactly like biltong. Please guys, does this not look like biltong? And this is first impressions. I've never had it before. No ways! No freaking ways! This tastes exactly like freaking biltong. I kid you not. With a liquor like mushroomy taste. Guys, it's a winner! The angels are singing. See you all on the next one.